Monoprice Voxel Pro fully enclosed 3D printer is the latest in the popular Voxel family of Monoprice 3D printers. Featuring a now larger build area of 200 by 200 by 250 millimeters. The touchscreen interface allows for easy Wi-Fi printing or live printing directly from the unit, as well as perform all functions of the printer, including the 9-point bed calibration. With Wi-Fi enabled, also allows you for live print monitoring utilizing the built-in 720p camera. Now also utilizing a filament compartment large enough to house up to a 5 kilogram spool of filament. Using the new Voxel Pro, you will never be limited on what you can print, as the unit is capable of reaching a nozzle temperature of 265 degrees Celsius and 110 degrees Celsius on the build plate to make printing with specialty filaments easy. Both the current units in the Voxel family utilize quick change nozzles for easy maintenance and upkeep. The new Monoprice Voxel Pro fully enclosed 3D printer is a unit for all your printing needs.